Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by testing and addressing chemistry immediately. This prevents algae and metal staining. First, test pH, free chlorine, and total alkalinity and note the numbers. While chemicals work, skim leaves and debris and empty skimmer baskets so filtration can move water unobstructed. Then raise or lower pH to 7, 6, and adjust alkalinity toward 80-120 ppm. This stabilizes sanitizer effectiveness. Once done, run the pump so the changes distribute, and prepare for the next cleanup steps. Now you focus on circulation and filtration because clear water needs constant turnover. Run the filter 8 to 12 hours daily and watch pressure. Backwash sand/DE filters or clean cartridges when pressure is 8-10 psi over baseline. If organics or combined chlorine are high, shock the pool at night. This oxidizes contaminants. Once filters are freshly serviced, add a clarifier or flocculant to aggregate fine particles. Let them settle, then vacuum to waste if possible. Make sure to monitor chemistry as you proceed. To finish, you lock in maintenance routines that keep water crystal clear and prevent repeat problems. Maintain free chlorine around 1 to 3 ppm or use the recommended alternative sanitizer and test weekly. Clean or backwash filters monthly and inspect the pump, skimmer, and return jets for balanced flow. If cloudiness persists after 48 hours, test for metals and phosphates. Run the filter continuously for 24 hours, and, if needed, use a flocculant and vacuum to waste. One troubleshooting tip: low flow or a dirty filter is the most common cause. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.